In this tutorial, I will show you paintbrush tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. Paintbrush tool you can access from this here. Just right clicking and paintbrush tool, which shortcut is B. You can see paintbrush tool, draw path with brush strokes applied. It is draw path. So I am drawing a path using it. See, this is a path. I am clicking here. You can see here is a fidelity option. So if I am accurate. Fidelity in the left side, this is accurate, and in the right side it is smooth. I am doing now with accurate. You can see the path and stroke will be accurate as I drawn. Whereas if I make it smoother, then I am drawing a path, and you can see the path is smoother. The path is smoother. Okay, but usually I am using in the middle because it destroys the actual drawing you want to draw. Okay, and double clicking, you can see edit selected path option is selected. What is this? Edit selected path mean, you can see this is edit selected path. Okay, I am double clicking here so that you can understand. Keep selected and edit selected path, both I have selected. Now I can draw. You can see the path has been selected. Okay, and also editing is possible. Just select direct selection tool and make it to edit the path. Okay, so I am double clicking here. You can see here is fill new brush strokes. It's fill new brush strokes, and within 12 pixel edit selected path within 20 pixel. Okay, so you can see I am drawing a path, and again drawing from, I want to drawing from here. Okay, you can see I am drawing from more closely. Okay, you can see the path has been closed, although I didn't draw the stroke path from the previous path. Okay, so if the two path is in between 20 pixel, it will become one path, and this is the within edit selected path within 12 pixel. Okay, so these are the functions of. Also, if you hold on shift, and you can draw a straight line, or you can 45 degree angle diagonal line, you can able to draw. Okay, also you can see I am drawing a curvy path. Okay, so if I hold on Alt, it will become an smooth tool. You can see I can now easily make a smooth tool holding down Alt from the keyboard. So hope you like this tutorial. If so, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.